Hi, my name is Matthew. I'm the social media producer for The Rachael Ray Show, and we are here with Chrissy Metz! Yay! Hi, Chrissy!
Hi.
We are about to play a fun game called Rachel's Roulette, and we're going to let Chrissy spin the wheel, and she's going to have to do whatever's on the wheel.
Oh dear. Rachel's Roulette. Da-na-na, Rachel's Roulette. Okay, here we go. I feel like I should close my eyes. I don't want to do it too hard. Self-portrait!
Yeah, this is the one I was hoping for.
No way.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
I just want to watch people draw themselves.
Okay.
So
Ooh,
you
with a
now have...
Sharpie.
Yeah.
Perfect.
So you have to draw a picture, a self-portrait of yourself.
Okay. Just
to the
face?
best of, yeah.
Okay.
To the best of your ability.
Okay. Okay. Oh, my stars and stripes. Okay. Should I draw the way I want to look, or?
You can, you know, this is open to interpretation.
Ooh. Art is subjective.
It's how you feel you look.
Oh dear. Rachel's Roulette. This is terrible.
Oh my gosh, this is good.
No.
You're better at drawing than I am.
No. I've never drawn with a Sharpie like this. I don't need to make myself look crazy.
No.
You know? And there's a chance of that.
Mm-hmm.
You know? Oh dear.
I think that you're doing a much better job than you're giving yourself credit for.
Okay.
No, this is good.
Rachel's Roulette. This isn't good. But that's okay. Because I did it in 2 minutes flat. Rachel's Roulette. I look scary. I'm ready.
Okay.
Wait. Just want to make sure I get, you know, the right... Okay. What's important is how I feel about myself. Right. Okay.
Okay, ready? Drum roll. And please reveal the self-portrait of Chrissy Metz.
Ta-da! I want to make sure that I was smiley because I'm a happy girl. So hopefully that was conveyed. Rachel's Roulette. Rachel's Roulette.
I'm going to say that this is a masterpiece.
Well, let me sign it for you.
Yeah!
Yeah, it's not my best work. I felt under pressure, but you know what? I went with it.
If you see this on eBay later, I apologize.
Okay. Look at the eyes. She's a little tired.
You know, someone's had a long day. That's...
The proportions are off, but honey, that's okay. Look at the lips. They're juicy. Cute little teeth. Just a smile.
Beautiful. Thank you so much, Chrissy Metz. Really appreciate you doing this for
us.
us.
Thank you.
You have a... I'll take that. You have a wonderful rest of your day.
Thank you.